some goodies in the mail today, so I figure why not share them with you so you guys can see what it's like to get these types of things. I got some goodies from Lashify, and I also got some goodies from Maskcara. So I'm gonna start with Lashify first. I have been getting the Luxe box, and I remember wondering what it was gonna look like, so I'm like, why not just share it with you? Because when you first get your order, it depends on what you get, but if you order the control kit, it looks a lot cuter than this. It comes with like a black box, and if you look at my old videos, you'll see it. It's super cute. After that, if you sign up for their subscription, it looks similar to this. And this is a Luxe box. You can set it to be monthly. You can set it to be, I think every 2 months, like every other month, maybe even longer than that. You can go sooner than monthly if you want to get lashes even more often than that. It's $40 a month, but you get 4 gossamers to choose from. So you're getting a lot of lashes for $40, and those 4 gossamers will last you at least a month. So when I signed up for this, I was comparing it to the price of lash extensions, and lash extensions on the cheap end. I found one person who was willing to do it for $35 a month for a fill, but then still when you consider the tip, you end up paying like almost $50. And you have to sit there for 2 hours. Even for a fill, it's like an hour you have to sit there, and I literally lost all my lashes. I'm so sad. My lashes are all stubby and gone now. So I'm working on regrowing them using Lashify as I get through this process because I now have no lashes. If you love lash extensions, I'm not hating on them. I love them when I did have them, but I just hit this point where I felt like I wanted them off. And that's where it all went downhill, unfortunately. And it was right when COVID started, so it couldn't have been worse timing. Anyway, let's see. They gave me a hand gel. The beauty of the sea and the earth. Cool. There. There's this little stamp that they always put on. It's like a sticker, but it looks like one of those wax stamps. And then you open the paper, and there are these little packages, the frilly paper that we all love. So let's see. I have some B12s. I have some B16s, some B14s, and I think maybe this is another B14. And then I also got this time Night Bond, so I'm excited to use that too. So you choose what you want in this package. You can choose more gossamers, you can choose a pre-cleanse, you can choose a melt away, which helps take your lashes off. All of those things can be added, and those things are also discounted because you signed up for the box. So I think there is a requirement of being a part of it for, I think, at least a month or 2, so that you don't just sign up for it, get the deal, and then not use them. But the whole idea is that you're getting such a good deal because normally these gossamers are $20. So you're getting them half price. Now let me open my mascara goodies from this week. Packing order. They always send these nice cards. So this one shows you like where to put all your makeup and breaks down the hack. And then this one always shows the different ways you can do eyeshadow, which is super cute. And you have to go digging in here, which is always really fun too. They like hide the product. Let's see, I have Tawanda eyeshadow. It is like a pretty pink color. Very springy, so I'm excited for that. I got Aura. I needed Aura, so I got another one. And then Bird. This one, I was kind of torn on. At face value, I wasn't sure I liked the color. But when I saw it on people's eyes, it looked amazing. So, we shall see. Oh, there. Ooh, it's a lot more neutral than I was imagining. It kind of had like that green, yellow, brown look to it on the website before, so that's why I was like, oh, I don't know. But this looks like a pretty nice neutral color. And then I got a compact free with my purchase. This is just their geode style. And then lastly, Baby Watermelon. I didn't have Baby Watermelon yet, so I'm excited to try her. Let's see what Baby Watermelon looks like. They keep playing 80s music on the arch, and I'm just like, There we go. Very pretty. This one and pink grapefruit. I'm gonna have to battle. Those are my goodies today though. Just thought I'd open them on camera so you guys can see.